For sale at Key Machinery LLC. 1996 white 6195 Workhorse series. It's got the 8.3 Cummins engine in it, just over 200 horsepower, tons of power, big spacious cab, big steps going into it, not a dent on the steps. I love this series. Watch how the hood's open on these. New AC compressor last year, Farmer did it. Cold AC, closes just like that. Buddy seat, park brakes down there. All your controls are right here. 18-speed power shift, draft control, four-wheel drive, diff lock, PTO's up there. Fire's right up. Just a pre-emissions beast, guys. Ready to go work, ready to go pull something, spin something. Call me at 410-972-5633 or check it out at key-machinery.com. Thank you.